Hi there, Sharon Otaguro, your business advisor. This month, we're going to talk about navigating the HR jungle, the top mistakes medical spas make and how to avoid them. You know, managing human resources in a medical spa setting requires delicate balance between compliance, employee engagement, and guest satisfaction. Medical spa owners often focus heavily on their med spa treatments and patient care, but they overlook critical HR aspects that can negatively impact their business. We're going to talk about the top 5 HR mistakes medical spa owners make and how to avoid them. Number 1 is failing to properly classify your employees. Medical spas often hire a mix of full-time, part-time, and independent contractors, and they fail to classify them correctly. Now, this can lead to serious legal and financial issues. Misclassifying providers, workers, and independent contractors when they should be employees can result in back wages, unpaid overtime, and penalties for failing to provide benefits like workers' compensation, social security tax, and other benefits. Now, the solution is to conduct a thorough review of your workforce with an HR professional to ensure compliance with federal and state employment laws, proper classification, and this will protect your medical spa from costly legal disputes. Number 2 is the lack of formal HR policies and procedures. Many aesthetic medicine owners, particularly those with similar and smaller operations, they fail to implement formal HR policies and procedures. And this can create confusion about expectations that lead to inconsistent handling of issues and open the door for discrimination or wrongful termination claims. So your solution is to develop a comprehensive employee handbook that outlines key policies, including attendance, code of conduct, anti-harassment, and disciplinary procedures. Social media policies are also a good one, and this ensures your providers and support team employees are trained on these policies to create consistency and a positive workplace environment. Number 3 is inadequate training and development. You know, medical spa owners may focus on clinical training, but forget to train the team on business skills and the guest experience. Providers and other team members often aren't trained on the recommendation process, such as the PRIDE and the SACRED systems found on MedSpa Biz University. Procedures and guest relations also help maximize the retention rate and guest satisfaction. And failing to invest in ongoing training for both your clinical and business can result in underperformance, poor patient satisfaction, and a high turnover rate. So be sure to provide regular training to ensure your employees are up to date on the latest medical treatments, the guest experience, best practices, and compliance with regulations. Investing in programs offered on MedSpa Biz University for business training will improve the quality of services and help you build a peak performing team and retain top talent. Number 4 is ignoring performance management. Many medical spa owners neglect formal performance management for their providers, such as injectors, estheticians, laser technicians, and patient care coordinators. They rely instead on informal feedback. This creates issues when it comes time for raises, promotions, or disciplinary action, and there's no formal record of employee performance. So implement the VPG performance-based compensation and management system that includes regular performance reviews, goal setting, coaching, and feedback. And this is all on MedSpa Biz University. This helps manage underperformance, recognize high achievers, and ensure accountability across the team. And finally, number 5, not staying compliant with employment laws. Now, medical spas, like any business, must comply with federal, state, and local employment laws, including wage and hour regulations, anti-discrimination laws, and health and safety standards. There's HIPAA and so much more. So failing to stay up to date with these medical aesthetic laws can result in costly penalties or lawsuits. So stay informed on changes in medical aesthetics labor laws and industry-specific regulations, and consider partnering with an HR consultant to help you navigate the complexities of employment law and reduce the risk of violations. By avoiding these common 5 HR medical aesthetics mistakes and implementing HR best practices, medical spa owners like yourself can benefit from improved structure, strategies, and be legally compliant, creating a positive workplace that fosters growth, success, and improved bottom line and profit. Register for the next Meet the Experts and watch the HR episode as Dori Soukup interviews HR expert Natalie Ivey. Register now and mark your calendar this October. If you need any additional assistance, please reach out to us at InSPArationManagement.com. And until next time, stay inspired.